and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making Mexican street corn. For our ingredients, we have butter, frozen corn, mayonnaise, sour cream, juice of a lime, ground cumin, chili powder, cojita, cheese, cilantro or green onions. I used green onions. And some Tahiti seasoning. Here we're going to melt our butter in our skillet over medium heat. Now we're going to stir in our frozen corn. We're just going to cook our corn until it is heated through. You want to stir constantly. Now here we're going to add in our mayonnaise, our sour cream, and we're going to mix that well. And here we're going to add some lime juice. And I'm just mixing that in. And here I'm going to add some cumin and chili powder. Here I'm just adding a little bit. I'm going to add some more later in the video. I'm making this for me and my daughter. I don't want to make it too spicy. I'm trying to gauge the spiciness. But you can add as much chili powder and cumin as you want. Now I'm adding in the cheese, the cojita cheese. I believe that's what it's called. And here I'm adding in some more chili powder and cumin. And I'm adding a little bit more lime juice. And that's it. Our Mexican street corn is done. I'm going to add it to a bowl. And I'm going to add some cheese on the top. I'm adding some cayenne pepper to the top. And I am going to add some green onions to the top. And a little bit of Tahiti. We have made Mexican street corn. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.